Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about Norfolk, Virginia. We're talking about the Elkhorn River and these levees. As the levees go through a recertification program, you might be seeing some changes in flood insurance. Why is that? So traditionally, when you live next to a levee and you were protected from water like this right here, you might have lived in what's called a shaded X. You might have had some preferred insurance rates. That's great. However, with Risk Rating 2.0, these preferred insurance rates have gone away. Instead now, distance to water has a large impact on it. In California, we've seen some of these shaded X rates go from $400 a year to $4,000 a year. So it's important to understand this as your renewals come up. If you're keeping flood insurance in place and when you live near a levee, in which everyone should, you need to understand why this is happening to the premiums. You also need to understand that private flood insurance looks at things differently. It looks at how you mitigate your property, and maybe you redirect water, maybe you put in flood vents or a retaining wall. These different things that determine what's called a flood risk score. Maybe you're exposed more to river flooding or flash flooding or creek flooding. These are all things to understand. So if you live in the Norfolk area and you've got questions about why your preferred rate flood insurance rates are going up, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. On there, you can find our Flood Learning Center to answer a lot of these questions you have. You can get an understanding of what the estimated flood premium should be on your property. What is your flood score? What flood zone are you in? Should flood insurance be required? And what should you insure your property for to protect it against flooding? Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you simplify your flood insurance and understand your flood risk like this one right here through education.